Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a reverse catamill. It'd be a good idea if you already know how to do a standard catamill, though not entirely required. I'll put a link in the description below, so if you want to go back and see a catamill to refresh your memory, it's easy and quick for you to find. Jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's break it down. Starts off man's left, lady's right. Go semicircle push, send the lady back. Guys, as we go back, we move just a fraction over to the right. We're going to sweep the lady in, mirror image of the entrance to a catapult. So we're bringing the lady forwards, the hand goes low, over to the left and up. So the lady's coming in, turning right. The guy's heading forwards. We send the lady straight back. The guys head out to the front, you get a lean. We're actually going to switch into the man's right hand. And you can do that either just as the lean is about to finish off or just after. Guys move out of the way to the left. We bring the lady forwards. The hand sweeps over to the right. So the lady's turning to the right. She goes out to the front. Guys heading back to their side. We're going to add a little bit of rotation. So guys turn a little bit to the left, so you're turning the lady a little bit to the right, and all we're going to do now is bring that hand through the middle to the right and release to get a return spin and catch to finish. So we'll do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle back, 1, sweeping 2, hand change and lean 3, unsweeping 4, preparation 5, return spin 6, and catch 7. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, reverse catamill. You go a back, sweep, swap, unsweep, prep, return spin, and catch. And that's it. Nice, short, sweet one this time. Hope you find that useful and enjoyable out on the dance floor. We'll put a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. It will come up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking means you like the move, helps promote the move. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And hitting the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.